Hello, and welcome to the 97th annual meeting of the Ideal Credit Union membership. I'm Peter Olsen, your Ideal Credit Union Board of Directors Chair. I'd like to thank all our members for attending this evening. As a member-owned financial institution, we are dedicated to your financial goals every day. We make it our mission to deliver the financial solutions that help you shape your ideal life. And how do we do that? By making Ideal Credit Union products more affordable, our rates more competitive, and our services to you more personal. I'm proud to say the highlights from 2022 that we're about to share with you show Ideal Credit Union is meeting our mission today with great opportunities ahead. Now I'd like to formally call this meeting to order. If this is your first Ideal Credit Union annual meeting or you attend every year, I want to give you an idea of what's ahead. We have a number of formal agenda items, including a report from your board of directors and a report from Ideal Credit Union President and CEO Brian Sherrick. Now I would like to call on Lisa Liddell, Ideal Credit Union's Secretary of the Board.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I'd like to report that there are more than 99 members registered and present, which establishes a quorum according to the Ideal Credit Union bylaws. This is a legal meeting, and I certify that notice was sent to all members of the time and date of this meeting as prescribed by the bylaws.
Thank you, Lisa. I would like to call your attention to the rules of order and remind everyone that these rules are in effect throughout the business meeting. These rules can be found on the annual meeting page on the credit union's website at idealcu.com/am. Can I get a motion to adopt these rules?
Aye.
And a second?
Second.
The motion has been made and seconded, and a poll question is now appearing on your screen to vote for the motion. And we'll pause just a second or two here while we collect the votes. The poll has been collected and the motion is approved. Our next order of business is the reading and approval of minutes from our last annual meeting. I welcome a motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes. Can I get a motion to waive the reading of the minutes as presented?
Aye.
Thank you. And is there also a second?
Second.
All right. Again, a motion has been made and seconded. Members will now be presented a poll question of acceptance at this time, and we'll just pause quickly so that people can vote. Looks like people have done that. The poll has been collected and the motion is approved. Now, can I get a motion to accept the minutes as presented?
Aye.
Excellent. And is there also a second?
Second.
Thank you very much. Once again, there has been a motion made and seconded to accept the minutes of last year's annual meeting, and members are now given the opportunity to vote via a poll on their computer. And again, we'll just pause for a second so that membership has an opportunity to vote. Looks like the poll has been collected and the motion is approved. And then finally, I'd also accept a motion to dispense with the reading of all of the reports that are included in the annual report. All members can find these reports on the annual meeting page on the credit union's website. Can I get a motion to dispense with the reading of the reports?
Aye.
Thank you very much. And is there a second?
Second.
Excellent. The motion has been made and seconded. And for our last one, we will again pause here so that people have an opportunity to vote in the poll. And as results are coming in, we will collect them. Looks like the poll has been collected and the motion is approved. Thank you, everyone. All right. Ideal Credit Union's official purpose statement is, every day we are dedicated to our members and their financial goals. As your board chair, it's my responsibility that this purpose is in the forefront of all our board decisions. Credit unions are not-for-profit financial cooperatives owned and operated by members, which means we invest all our profits back into our membership to serve you. Ideal Credit Union exists to strengthen the financial lives of our families and businesses and make our communities stronger. Our board and employees at Ideal help to ensure the credit union delivers the best financial products and services in the industry for you, the members. Since Ideal Credit Union was founded in 1926, the needs of our members have forever been evolving, but our focus has always remained constant on innovating to meet those needs and serving our members and community. We also are part of planning and creating a vision for the future of Ideal Credit Union. We want the credit union to meet the needs of our members today and for decades to come. The goal of the board is to provide management oversight and ensure focus on continuing to meet the needs of our member owners by providing personalized member experiences, knowledgeable staff, enhanced product offerings, and meaningful contributions to the community. As your board leadership, we're responsible for ensuring the finances of the credit union are managed properly. We approve and monitor the budget and provide oversight for all of Ideal Credit Union's policies and practices. We're pleased to share Ideal Credit Union's overall financial position is strong due to thoughtful leadership and the commitment of all of you, our members. Ideal Credit Union's regulatory net worth is 10.41%, which is well above the 7% regulators define as well capitalized. All of our staff and membership share our deep appreciation and gratitude for retiring board member Keith Haughey. Keith has dedicated more than 40 years of his life to championing the interest of Ideal Credit Union members through his selfless volunteer leadership on the board of directors. His unwavering commitment to the credit union movement has been nothing short of remarkable. Throughout his time on the board of directors, Keith has actively advocated for the entire credit union movement, meeting with officials in St. Paul and Washington, D.C. on important legislative issues that impact our industry. He has also been very dedicated to ensuring Ideal Credit Union is leading the way with our member experience. He was instrumental in encouraging the implementation of digital banking. In honor of Keith's contributions and retirement from our board of directors, the Minnesota Credit Union Network has awarded Keith the CU Builder Award for dedicated service to the credit union. On behalf of all of the Ideal Credit Union Board of Directors, I want to congratulate Keith on this honor and his retirement from the board. We all wish him the best as he enjoys more time on the lake with his family. And while Keith is retiring from his volunteer board service, his commitment to the cause remains as strong as ever, and he will continue to provide support to the board in an emeritus role, ensuring that his legacy of service and dedication lives on. Keith's leadership and vision have truly made a difference in the lives of countless individuals, and we are all better off of having the privilege of working with him. Serving our members takes leadership in a variety of ways. Besides the board of directors, Ideal members serve on the supervisory committee, which acts as an internal audit function, and as associate board members who provide specific expertise to the board. We are always looking for members who are willing to provide their knowledge and their experience to help further our mission. Members are often compensated for their time, and to learn more, go to idealcu.com/board. And now I'd like to introduce Ideal Credit Union's President and CEO, Brian Sherrick. Take it away, Brian.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and welcome everyone to the 97th annual meeting of the Ideal Credit Union members. I too want to take a moment and thank Keith for his loyalty and commitment, truly inspirational. I've been leading Ideal Credit Union as CEO for more than 11 years. I've been an employee and a member for nearly 40 years, so I'm proud to say that Ideal Credit Union Advantage is stronger than ever today. It's because of our shared commitment to the people helping people philosophy. Everyday members choose Ideal Credit Union because of the service to members. Our goal to improve lives through personalized service, competitive rates, and more affordable products. In 2022, Ideal Credit Union really delivered on our mission to create opportunities for our members and credit union to thrive together. In 2022, Ideal Credit Union's asset grew 6.04% to $988 million, just under $1 billion. Loans grew 9.39% to $830 million, and deposits grew 6.29% to $829 million. Our net worth now stands at $103 million, a 7.34% growth. Net income last year in 2022 was over $7 million. And in wealth advisors, assets under management now exceed $151 million. And our mortgage servicing now exceeds $160 million as well. Our membership now exceeds over 52,000 members strong. Reaching these growth milestones allows us to continue to innovate and develop robust new services, provide competitive rates, and cultivate the ideal life member experience as one of the top 10 credit unions in Minnesota. It is an exciting time to be an ideal member. Thank you for your support. In 2022, we focused on providing innovative products and services that enhance the member experience. With the goal to evolve our cash rewards program, we retired our VIP Plus program. Program was successful in awarding over $5 million in payouts to ideal members. We're rolling out the new Ideal Advantage program with expanded offerings. Now, more of our members are able to earn cash rewards, including the future of Ideal Credit Union, our members ages 13 to 17 years old. Ideal Wealth Advisors engage more of our members this year on retirement planning, investment services, and insurance. In our business service area is serving small and mid-sized businesses and seeing 27% growth over the past 3 years. If you need assistance in retirement planning, insurance, or investment, please call Kristen or Craig. And in business banking, don't hesitate to reach out to Josh Anderson. He's more than willing to help you out. Ideal also announced a partnership with Renify, a fintech company that has a new approach for home equity line of credit. It allows homeowners to borrow based on their home's after renovation value without refinancing. At Ideal, we know digital banking can really make for a seamless and easy experience. Our Zelle person-to-person payments are empowering our members to send money seamlessly through the app. This year, we saw more than 1,400 interactions on Zelle. Ideal's mobile check deposits continue to offer Ideal members easy, secure, and convenient options to deposit through the digital banking app. We see an average of 7,500 checks deposited using the mobile check deposit every month. In 2022, we also introduced Bill Matrix, providing members with a convenience of tracking and making loan payments by automating their monthly bill. Those products and services really highlight how we're focused on serving you and making it easy, whether it's through the digital tools or in person at our branch. Ideal's focus on providing the best personal member experience shows up in those new products and services we offer, but it's also earning us some positive industry recognition. Ideal Credit Union was recognized as a Forbes Best in-State Credit Union, making Ideal a top 5 credit union in the state based on consumer surveys. Another important feedback we measure is Google reviews, which show positive reviews for all 6 of our Ideal branches. That means members are engaging with Ideal and having a positive experience. Additionally, we measure our results internally. Our service centers are very focused on member experience and providing seamless interactions with members. Finally, kudos to our mortgage team. They had a great year, and Ideal was recognized in 2022 by the Twin Cities Business Journal for having outstanding super mortgage professionals on our team. Congratulations to Faith Focus and Cynthia Stewart. As we gather here for the Ideal Credit Union annual meeting, we are reaching significant financial milestones, offering new products and services to members and being recognized for excellence in the industry. Giving back is also a very important part of the role of credit unions play in our communities. So I'm pleased to share Ideal Credit Union's impact in 2022. Ideal Credit Union Community Foundation donated over $11,000 to local causes. Our employee Casual for a Cause donations averaged $1,800 a quarter. These donations were awarded to organizations selected by an employee committee based on the work they do to make a positive impact in our communities. One of the biggest moments for Ideal this year was Ideal Credit Union's Feeding Our Communities initiative, which was awarded the Minnesota Dora Maxwell Award and recognized nationally by the Credit Union National Association. The Feeding Our Communities initiative provided much needed support to local food banks and basic service providers in the communities. Ideal provided these services when many were experiencing record demand in 2021. Ideal's annual community appreciation events awarded over $11,000 in cash and prizes. Great work to all of those involved in our community outreach efforts in 2022. Part of our role as leaders at Ideal is advocating for the credit union on a variety of legislative issues. In 2021, Ideal's board of directors, supervisory committee, and executive staff met with national and local legislatures in Washington, D.C. and the state capitol to urge support for credit union friendly policies and protections that enable us to best serve our members. I would like to thank our board of directors, our supervisory committee for their leadership in 2022. My gratitude also goes out to our fantastic employees. They do a great job, and I'm so proud of them. I also want to thank all of you, the members of Ideal. We treasure the opportunity to assist you in meeting your financial goals every day. Now, we will continue with Peter Olsen's and a few more business items.
Thanks, Brian. There are no items of unfinished or new business to discuss at this time, so we'll move on to elections. All nominations for the board of directors were to have been received by February 1st, 2023. The nominating committee reviewed all letters of intent and selected the following 3 candidates to fill the available 3-year terms: Craig Sprider, Lisa Liddell, and Paul Fahey. I would like to thank all of the board, the associate board, and supervisory board members for their time and dedication. And I'd also like to say a special thank you to Dan Olsen for his 7 years of service on the supervisory and associate board. Thank you in advance for your input, and thank you for attending Ideal Credit Union's 97th annual meeting. Have a good night.